what's up everybody? This is Rakesh from Popingo, and in this video I'm going to explain or try to explain you the difference between a raster image and a vector image. So to start with, raster images are made of pixels. Multiple pixels are combined together to form an image. It's basically a dot. More the number of dots, image will be very clear. Lesser the number of dots, image will not be as clear as it would be. It's the same as dots per inch, DPI you would say. More the number of dots per inch, more is the resolution of an image. So raster images always have resolution to them. The quality of the image will be dependent of what is the resolution of an image or what is the DPI of an image. So if you try to zoom into an image, at one point you will start to notice pixels, and the number of pixels in a raster image is fixed. You cannot add pixels to it to make it look better. Vector, on the other hand, is based on geometrical shapes. You can expand the shape however you want and still retain the sharpness of the image. For example, you start typing some text in a notepad and you want to increase the font size. Notice when you increase the font size, the text will still remain sharp no matter what the font size is, be it 10 or 100, because the font or the text character in the font is a vector shape. Here's an example in order to demonstrate the difference. You can see there are two images in my screen right now. The one in the left is a raster image and the one in the right is a vector image. You can already notice that the vector image is very sharp. Further, you can make out the difference even more if you expand these images. Let's try that. So when I expand this image, notice there are pixels around the image and it is very blurry. But when I expand the vector image, you will not see any pixels at all. The image is still crystal clear. So folks, in my next video, I'll be covering on how to convert a raster image to a vector image. Stay tuned for that. Alright, thanks for watching folks. I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Have a good learning experience. See ya.